Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2017 VW Passat Business Estate. This car comes with the 1.4 petrol turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 148 brake horsepower and whilst returning up to 55 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 18 and this is a two-owner vehicle, having covered just over 3,000 miles, so very low mileage for the age, and comes with full service history. This particular colour is called the Pure White and looks in good condition for the mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you can see you've got the nice clean interior. This car has a few factory options, which is nice to see, including the leather seats there, and these are also heated in the front. There's an armrest and two cup holders in the centre for the front passengers. Onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth for your phone, and this car also has air conditioning as well as a heated steering wheel, automatic headlights and wipers, and then on the driver's door card there you have your electric folding mirror and full window controls. The Passat's really spacious in the back, like a limousine, so loads of legroom and headroom there. The rear bench has three individual seat belts, and rear passengers have their own air vents there in the centre too. It's good to see the car's also got the original VW floor mats. Another factory option, the car has the automatic opening tailgate, so nice and easy. And you can also open the tailgate by moving your foot underneath the bumper as well, so you can open the tailgate without having to find your keys. As you can see, you've got a really good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor, you also have some extra storage there, as well as your spare wheel, which is a space saver, so that's good to see. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the front and rear parking sensors, the diamond cut 18-inch alloy wheels, and also a colour reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So, if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.